Today let's talk about the Siser cutting machines and the rollers. So on the Siser Juliet, which is what I have here, we have 3 rollers and all 3 of those rollers can be moved. So if we come to the back of the machine and we have that lever that raises and lowers our rollers. So when the lever is down, then our rollers are up. And when the lever is up, our rollers are down. Now make sure that you control that lever as it's going up and down. If you flick it, you could actually cause damage to that area of your machine. So we want to make sure that the lever is down so that our rollers are up. And if we have a look at the bottom bar at the front of our machine, we'll see that there is some black grit on that bottom roller. So all 3 of our rollers must be over that black grit if we are using the matless cutting feature. Otherwise it won't work correctly. So once again, we make sure that our lever is down. We come to the roller we want to move. We grab it from the back and the front at the same time, and then we can move our roller. And its finished position should be over that black grit on that bottom bar. Once we're happy with that, we can simply proceed to cutting. And that's how easy it is to change the rollers on the Siser Juliet. We'd love you to support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with all your friends, and also subscribe to us so you don't miss out on anything new that we put out.